Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another exciting video. Today I will be showing you how I make chile rellenos. It is a delicious traditional Mexican dish made from roasted poblano peppers, stuffed with cheese, then dipped in a fluffy egg batter and fried until golden brown. Please stay tuned and I will be showing you the step-by-step process in making this delicious dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so here are all my ingredients that I will be using to make my chile rellenos. I will be using 4 tomatoes, 3 jalapeños, a quarter of an onion, 3 garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, oregano, and then some diced tomato and onion. I have about 1 tomato and then a quarter of an onion here. 1 1/4 cup of flour, 4 cups of water, some poblano peppers, 2 chopped zucchinis, 1 pound of cheese, and I'm also going to be using some Oaxaca cheese, and 6 eggs. I wash my peppers. What I will be doing is cooking them so that I can peel the skin off. Okay, my peppers have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to flip them. This is how they should look. They should start to blister. My peppers are ready. So what I'm going to do is add them in this plastic bag, and this will help to peel off the skin easier. Okay, my peppers are in the plastic bag and now I'm going to close it. So I'm going to let them rest in here for about 15 minutes. Okay, my peppers have been sitting for about 10 minutes. So now I will start removing all of the skin. Now I will cut my pepper and take out all the seeds. And this is how it should look once the seeds are out and the skin is off. I am going to continue the same process on the rest of my peppers. I added my 4 tomatoes, the quarter piece of onion, the 2 garlic cloves, and the 3 jalapeños. And now I'll add my chicken bouillon and my oregano and the 4 cups of water. And now I'm going to blend this. I'm going to start working on the stuffing for my chile rellenos. I'll be going in with my diced tomato and onions and also my pound of cheese. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my pan. I'll add my tomato and onions. Now that my onions are translucent, I can add my cheese. Now I'm going to start stuffing my peppers. I'm going to stuff them with my melted cheese and then a little bit of my Oaxaca cheese. Now I'm going to get my Oaxaca cheese, add a piece, and then just kind of close it up. Perfect, 1 down. Now I'm going to remove the egg yolk and separate my egg whites. Okay, now that I've beat my egg whites and they're nice and fluffy, I'm going to add my egg yolks and I'm going to continue beating my eggs. Now I'm going to bring that sauce that I blended earlier to a boil and I'm going to add my zucchinis. Now I'm ready to start working on my chile rellenos. So what I'm going to do is cover them in flour, then dip them in the egg. My chile rellenos are all done, so now I will add them to my sauce. Okay, and I'm going to make sure all my chile rellenos are covered in that sauce. Going in with my Oaxaca cheese that I had left over from earlier, I'm going to add it to my chile rellenos for that extra yumminess. And this is what my chile rellenos look like. I have that zucchini, extra cheese. And here's how I plated my chile relleno. I served it with some Mexican rice, and as you can see, the cheese has melted and the zucchinis are nice and cooked. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I promise it's so delicious. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all my future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.